Good morning, students. Students, this lesson is of class 5th for the subject of mathematics, topic time and temperature, which is covered in chapter number 14, page number 170, and is being submitted to you on 7th December 2020. Students, in the last week assignment dated 30th November 2020, we have already discussed about the face of a clock, and then we have discussed about different ways of telling time, then different units of time from smallest to largest, and conversions like weeks into days, minutes into seconds, days into hours. Okay, so now to start with our lesson, let us revise all the topics which we have discussed on 30th November 2020. So let us start today's lesson by taking few examples. So now children, let's move on to our example number 1. Our example number 1 is a face of clock. Now children, can you see a face of clock here? Can you tell me where is your short hand and long hand? And your short hand is called what? Your short hand means hour hand, that is at 3, and your long hand means minute hand, and minute hand is at 2. Okay, children, let's repeat. Your hour hand is at 3 and your minute hand is at 2. So now, can you tell me the time? What is the time here in this clock? Yes, it is 3 hours 10 minutes. Okay, what is your time in this clock? 3 hours 10 minutes. Okay, and what else you can say? You can say that it is 10 minutes past 3. You can say that it is 10 minutes past 3. Now there is one more way to tell the time. You can tell the time in next hour, that how many minutes are left for next hour. Now let's see how many minutes are left. 10 minutes are already passed. So how many minutes are left for 4 o'clock? Now children, we have discussed in previous assignment that if 10 minutes are passed, then how many minutes are left? You can find out easily that there are total 60 minutes. Okay, and then you have to subtract the past minute, that is 10. So your answer is equal to 50. So how many minutes are passed? Or 10 minutes are passed and how many minutes are left? That is 50. So now children, you can say that it is 50 minutes to 4. How many minutes are left for 4 o'clock? That is 50. Is it clear, children? Now let's read all the 3 times together. Okay, children, let's read it together. So your time is 3:10. Okay, then 10 minutes past 3, and after that 50 minutes to 4. I hope you are clear with this. Now let's go to example number 2. Now let us read example number 2. Now this is a conversion question. This is a conversion question, and you have to convert 4 minutes 20 seconds into seconds. Now children, you have to convert 4 minutes 20 seconds into seconds. Now they are already seconds. Only we have a problem with 4 minutes. Okay, 20 second is already in seconds. So we have no problem with 20 seconds. You just have to convert your 4 minute. Now children, you have to see that how many seconds are there in 4 minute. Now, can you tell me that how many seconds are there in 1 minute? How many seconds? In 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. Okay, children? So in 4 minutes, how many seconds are there? 4 into 60. So you have to multiply your 4 with 60. So 4 into 60 will become 240. So what is your answer? 240 seconds plus 20. Okay. So what is 240 plus 20? Your answer is 260 seconds. So 4 minutes 20 seconds is equal to 260 seconds. Okay. Now children, be careful about conversion. You should know all the conversion: minutes into seconds, week into days, years into days. Be careful. So why here we are multiplied with 60? Because 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Is it clear? Now let us move on to our example number 3. Now let's see what is your example number 3. Now in this question you have to convert 9 weeks 2 days into days. Now here you have to convert 9 weeks 2 days into days. So children, here 9 weeks should be converted into days first. And now tell me, in 1 week, how many days are there? In 1 week, there are 7 days. So, to convert 9 weeks into days, you have to multiply 9 with 7. So, 9 into 7 days plus 2 days. This is already in days. So, now next step will be 9 sevens are 63, and 63 plus 2 will be 65. Okay. So how many days are there? 65. So children, you can say that 9 weeks, 2 days is equal to 65 days. I repeat, 9 weeks, 2 days is equal to 65 days. Is it clear, everyone? So now children, I hope you are clear with everything, that how to tell a time. Okay. And now you are very well aware of conversions also. So now let us move ahead and let us take up the questions from exercise 14.3. Okay, let us discuss few questions from your book exercise 14.3 one by one. And in exercise 14.3, we are dealing with the statement sums. Okay, so now let us move on. Now your A part is, what time will it be? 3 hours 15 minutes after 3:45 a.m. Okay, children, what is the question? What time will it be? 3 hours 15 minutes after 3 hours 45 minutes. So 3:45 a.m. means 3 hours and 45 minutes. So now children, after means you have to calculate after. What will be time after this time? So it means what you have to do. Which operation you are going to use? You are going to use addition. What you will do in this question? Addition. So let's do it. 3:45 a.m. means 3 hours 45 minutes. Okay, children? So 3 hours 45 minutes plus 3 hour 15 minutes. So now after adding, you will get 6 hour 60 minutes. What is your answer? 6 hour 60 minutes. Now children, you know that 6 hours 60 minutes and 60 minutes means 1 hour, because 1 hour means 60 minutes. So instead of writing this 60 minutes, you can say it is 1 hour. So now your 6 hour will become 7 hours. Why the 7 hour have come? Because 60 minutes will be added to 6 hours. and 6 hours will become 7 hour. Okay, so your final answer is 7 a.m. Okay, now let's discuss question number B part. It is, what time will it be 2 hours 10 minutes after 2:40 a.m. Children, 2:40 a.m. means 2 hours 40 minutes. What is the meaning of 2:40? 2 hours 40 minutes. And here also you have to calculate after. Means what will be the time after this. So it means here also you will do addition. What you will do here? Addition. So let's add them. 2 hours 40 minutes plus 2 hours 10 minutes. After addition, your answer is 4 hours 50 minutes. What is your final answer? 4 hour 50 minutes. And your minute is less than 60. So your answer will be this only. So your final answer is 4:50 a.m. What is your answer? 4:50 a.m. Okay, children. So what will be the time after 2:40 a.m. if you add 2 hour 10 minutes? It is 4:50 a.m. So children, let's move on to our next question, that is C part. Let's read the statement. A flight is to take off from Mumbai at 2:35 a.m. It is scheduled to reach Tokyo after 9 hours 25 minutes. What will be time in Mumbai when the flight reach Tokyo? So children, here what is the time right now? Your time is 2:35 a.m. What is your time? 2:35 a.m. It means 2 hours 35 minutes. Okay. Now you have to find out, it is scheduled to reach Tokyo after 9 hours 25 minutes. Again, there is after. So you have to calculate after. It means you will add these two times. What you will do? You will add these two times. Okay. So let's write it in column method, that 2 hours 35 minutes plus 9 hours 25 minutes. So let's add them. After adding, what you will get? 11 hour 60 minutes. What you will get? 11 hour 60 minutes. Again, 60 minutes. What is the meaning of 60 minutes here? Now children, 60 minutes means 1 hour. What is the meaning of 60 minutes? 60 minutes means 1 hour. So it means 11 hour and one more hour will become 12 hours. Okay. So what will be the time now? 12 noon. So what will be the time to reach Tokyo? That will be 12 noon. I hope children you are clear with the statement sums. So now next question we will discuss in our second video. Thank you students.